Hello everyone, welcome to Make It Easy. So, are you a person who doesn't understand PLSQL? So, yeah, here comes the basic PLSQL tutorial by Make It Easy. I'm a person who always felt like coding is tough. So, yeah, I can feel your pain. In the upcoming videos, we are gonna learn the basics of PLSQL in an easier way. So, after that, I hope you will be loving PLSQL. So, if you are ready, just type I am ready in the comment section. We will be starting our video soon and cover all the topics. We will be covering the basics, we will be explaining in an easy way, and we will clear our doubts on a regular basis. We are going to enjoy learning and love it. So if you are ready for the tutorial, just like this video, share with your friends and subscribe to the YouTube channel. So all the best to all of you. Hope for the best. Thanks for watching and let's meet on the next video soon. Bye bye.